Hey everyone. So to start, I'm apologizing if there's bird noises or whatnot. I'm actually out on my patio doing this. So I am just painting canvas, and I thought I'd bring you along. I am a Disney pin crazy person, and I'm gonna decorate the canvas to put onto my walls. So I'm using unicorn spit, which I love. I sprayed my canvas with water, and then I'm just gonna spray it again with this. You see, unicorn spit is so diluted. It's wonderful paint. So I'm just gonna take this and basically, I just want a watercolor type effect. No idea how this will turn out. It's been a long time since I've painted with unicorn spit. So the colors I'm using, this one is Purple Hill Majesty. And this one is, a teal, a Zia teal. Hopefully I can pull it out this way and not have it go down. Might have to, yeah, that's what I thought. So if you don't close these right away, which I should totally close that one, they get clogged. It's just the way they are. So I'm gonna just kind of dab a little bit. There we go, way too much. There's birds like all over in this back area. So let's get that sprayed. I'm just gonna mix them. Kind of reminds me of a one of the Eeyore colors, which is what I was wanting. I'm doing little waves for those little textures when it dries. And get a little bit more of that blue. Put down here a tad. There we go. Oh, let me get this side. So these are 8x8 canvases. I believe I got them at Michael's. I'm not honestly sure, but I'm guessing that's where I got them. Okay, so I'm gonna, and yeah, you get kind of gross when you play with unicorn spit. So I brought this out to actually let them sit because I have another one I want to do. So we're gonna take this over and let it dry. And they come in a 2-pack. Yeah, Artist Loft is Michael's. Okay, so this time I think I'm gonna do add a yellow. Maybe we do the same colors. I don't know. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I grabbed, thanks for holding. So I grabbed these different ones just so I have a color thing, and I think I'm gonna do yellow and this, so it's a little lighter. These ones are all black and white, so they'll look really good with the ones we just did. Ooh, almost out of water. The only problem with these little cute things. Use water really, really fast. Okay, hold on again. I need more water. Sorry. Okay, so got it filled. So we're gonna use some yellow. Ah, this one's not gonna come out either. Teach me to do it the other way. Ooh, that one's really thick. Look at that. So the beautiful thing about spit is it reconcentrates very, very easy. So we're just gonna dab some on here. Use this is my silicone brush that I got the other day. There we go. Now I'm probably just going to use the same thing with this. Just use the other side, why not? So these spits are very old. I've had them for years. So some of them see how those go. Okay, so I'm going to wet it again. And take my brush and brush it. Ooh, kind of like that color combo together. It's a little thick. It's turning a tad green. Of course, yellow and blue make green. That's okay. There we go. So I'm gonna paint the sides of this. Oh, got some on my pen. Thing will wipe off. So I hope everyone's doing good. We've been busy. My son's in practice for Newsies and prepping for nationals and getting ready for my daughter's party. So it's coming along. Things are happening. So I'm not just. So I don't want to. I'm trying not to like go too in depth of the mixing of the colors, but I think that will look really fun. And here's the beautiful thing: if you don't like it, wash it off. Do it again. So here's the first one. Woo. And then that. How fun is that? Now see, when you put this on it, it's gonna kind of like melt in the picture, which is fine. This one's a little better. So I think we're gonna do one this color and then this color, and then I'm gonna do another one this color. And they dry, as you can tell, that one, they dry really, really fast, which is fabulous. So we're gonna put that over there. And I'm gonna go rinse these off. I don't need this color anymore. So I'm gonna go rinse this off and then I'll be right back. All right, so that's nice and clean. Take this one. These are gonna be the same color, but I'm gonna like add a little bit more blue to it. So, oh, I forgot to get it wet. It always works when it's wet. That just helps it to move. And you know, unicorn spit is so concentrated. Like, a little bit goes a long way. Like I kind of overdid some of this. Well, hey Luke, what you doing? So ever since we moved out here, the cats have loved coming out on the patio to see all the birds. And we're high up, and so because it's a walkout basement, so we're pretty high up, so they haven't jumped or any of that kind of stuff, which has been nice. But yeah, it's been. There we go. And now let's. Nah. Might get a little yellow in there. I don't know. I don't really care. So we're gonna pour some of that out on there and just dab it. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna take my brush and just I really like the dark, but I also like the light that blue gives off on these, which is why I'm trying to add a little bit more blue to them, the light blue, because I really like that light blue. Okay, I'm just going to pour a little bit more white blue. Whoop, too much. Shoot. Okay, we're going to have a lot more light blue. Oh well. On the edges, right? Still have to get all these edges. So I'm going to be doing a lot more of this. This isn't really a junk journal, it's more like art. Wall hanging art stuff. So I'll be doing more of this type of stuff also while I decorate my house. If you guys like it, great, give it a thumbs up. I'll know to do more of this stuff. And yes, a lot of it is going to be Disney because, yeah, that's just me. Some of it's not, some of it will be, yeah, no, I think it'll mostly be Disney. I'll have to show you guys my wall that I just had put on. So I'm loving this. It's a lot lighter than the other one, and I really like the other one too because these darks will look really good on here. But I used to have these on a cork board. The problem with that is when you take them off the cork board, if you don't do it right, you lose the pokey part of your back. And like, see, wait, where is it? This one, I just lost the back of this. Yeah, you can glue it off, but you know, honestly, some of these are worth money. And so some of them are limited edition. Some of the ones I have are like ones that you weren't supposed to be sold to the public or were cast member exclusives from when I worked there. So yeah, it's just a array. Well, I will let these dry and then we'll put on some pins and I'll show you guys that process and we'll go from there. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Okay, so these are dry. I'm gonna bring them back in and look how, love how they turned out. So normally you'd like spray adhesive or whatever on these because if you get it re-wet with unicorn spit, it will rerun. But I don't plan on getting stuff spit. Oh no, look at that. Bug landed in there and died. Oh, dang it. So these are all of my Disney pins that I have, and I want this to go this way and this to go this way. They do have. I really like how that turned out. So I know all my black ones are going to go on one of these. Are going to go on this one. So to start, let's put all those on here. Four. Yep, I'm missing one. I had to wash them. They all got spit on it. missing one. And yes, I have a lot of Eeyore. I love Eeyore. He's like my favorite Disney character. Okay, I'm missing owl. I need to go get my owl. Okay, I'm gonna set these aside. We're gonna put these. So I'm gonna put Eeyore in the middle because he's my fave. I'm gonna put Piglet and Owl. I think those two. I'm gonna kind of do so I take off my backs. And I throw them, punch them in. Then you just stick these on. And shoot, he fell out. And then there we go. I love it. I'm just gonna fast forward through this part for you guys so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, here we go. All three. I am like loving this. So they're gonna be like this on my wall. Oh, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. It's totally different than junk journaling. If you did, give it a thumbs up so I know to make more content this way when I do more of my wall decor. And thank you for joining me. I want you guys to know you are important. Thanks. Bye.